is the day again when we try to for a bit over 2 years we have been on dry land now, but today is the day when we feel the water again. So I'm going to put up the mast, install the rudder, and hopefully in we go. When I raise the mast high enough that I can insert the mast heel through the partings on the deck, the center of gravity of the mast is just above my shoulder, so it's a bit tricky to do it alone, but I have managed so far. The mast partners under the deck are made in 2 halves and act as a clamp to fix the mast tight. So when the mast is up, I go inside and tighten the nuts. I attached the sail to the mast, installed rudder, and pushed the boat all the way to the water. I tied a line between boat and car to slow it down near ramp. Okay, now I'm just touching the water with rear wheels, and I will put in the lid now. I just put it in loosely now, and I will tie it up when I'm on the water. Put 1 piece of rubber below, 3 pieces on top. And now I'm going to put 1 more layer of rubber on top, and then 1 more layer of lead. Unfortunately, I didn't shoot the actual lashing, but this is how my lead is lashed down. I have lashed it over the lead first, and then I have tightened those lashes with another thinner line, and it hasn't moved a bit, so it's a workable solution. We finally got the boat in the water, and we do some small sailing as well. not very fast, but there's also no wind. We also tried some motoring just after launching, and I burnt a few fuses until I inserted 30 amp fuse. So it takes quite a lot of power. There was no instructions on how big fuse you need for that motor, but it drives the boat. So today is the second day on the lake. I set the GoPro on camera mount with gimbal. This way you really feel how the boat is feeling. I want to show you the shape of the sail, and it's pretty nice without any creases. I really like it.
I'm in the other end of the lake now.
According to GPS, it's now 3 or even 4 knots. Looks like there's 2 beaches on that side of the lake. We are in this shallow and still floating. There is about 10 centimeters or 4 inches between the bottom of the lake and the bottom of the boat. Now I have also docked and done everything, so bye bye for today.